Welcome to the introduction on the power of effective dashboards. In the world of data analysis, dashboards reign supreme. However, a poorly designed dashboard can be more of a hindrance than a help. Today we will delve into the secrets of mastering Power BI dashboard design, focusing on the principles of clarity, simplicity, and functionality. By presenting information clearly and concisely, dashboards empower users to grasp key trends, spot anomalies, and understand the story behind the numbers. Through visual hierarchy, intuitive navigation, and careful selection of key performance indicators, KPIs, dashboards can convey complex information in an easily digestible format. In this section, we explore designing for clarity. Before embarking on the design process, it is crucial to define the target audience and their specific information needs. A dashboard designed for a marketing team will differ significantly from one intended for the finance department. Conducting user research, such as interviews and surveys, can provide valuable insights into the target audience's requirements. Once the audience is defined, the next step is to identify the key metrics that will be displayed on the dashboard. These metrics should be aligned with the audience's objectives and provide a clear overview of the most important data points. Each metric should be clearly labeled and accompanied by a brief description to ensure understanding. To enhance clarity, it is essential to use visual cues that guide the user's attention to the most critical information. For instance, important metrics can be displayed in a larger font size or a bolder color to make them stand out. Now let's talk about simplicity, which is key to avoiding dashboard clutter. One of the most common mistakes in dashboard design is trying to cram too much information into a single view. This can overwhelm users and make it difficult to extract meaningful insights. The key to designing effective dashboards is to embrace simplicity and focus on presenting only the most essential information. Start by identifying the core message you want to convey with the dashboard. Once you have a clear understanding of the core message, you can start to eliminate any unnecessary elements that distract from it. This might involve removing redundant charts, reducing the number of data points displayed, or simplifying the dashboard's layout. Avoid using technical jargon or industry-specific terms that your audience may not understand. Remember, the goal is to make the data accessible and understandable to a wide audience. In this final section, we discuss consistency, which breeds familiarity in layout and design. Consistency in dashboard design is crucial for creating a seamless user experience. When dashboards follow a consistent layout and design language, users can navigate them more easily and find the information they need quickly. Start by establishing a clear visual hierarchy for the dashboard. This involves organizing elements in order of importance, with the most critical information placed at the top or center of the dashboard. Use size, color, and contrast to guide the user's eye to the most important elements. Color plays a significant role in dashboard design, influencing both aesthetics and user perception. Use a limited color palette and stick to colors that are visually appealing and easy on the eyes. Avoid using too many bright or neon colors, as these can be distracting and make it difficult to focus on the data. Section 5. Visualizing data effectively. Choosing the right charts. Data visualization is at the heart of dashboard design. Choosing the right chart type for your data is crucial for conveying information effectively. Different chart types are suited for different types of data and purposes. For example, a line chart is ideal for showing trends over time, while a bar chart is better for comparing categories. When selecting a chart type, consider the message you want to convey and the type of data you are working with. Avoid using overly complex or unconventional chart types, as these can be confusing for users. Once you have selected a chart type, it is important to format it in a way that is both visually appealing and easy to understand. Use clear and concise axis labels, legends, and titles. The goal is to present the data in a way that is both informative and visually engaging. Section 6. Data integrity matters, ensuring accuracy and reliability. A visually stunning dashboard is meaningless if the data it displays is inaccurate or unreliable. Data integrity is paramount in dashboard design. Before creating a dashboard, it is crucial to ensure that the data source is accurate, complete, and up to date. This involves implementing data quality checks, validating data sources, and establishing data governance procedures. Data should be sourced from reliable systems and databases, and any data transformations or calculations should be thoroughly tested and validated. Clearly communicate the data source, the date range of the data, and any assumptions or limitations associated with the data. Building trust in the data is essential for users to rely on the insights provided by the dashboard. Section 7. Interactivity, engaging your users with dynamic dashboards. Static dashboards can only convey a limited amount of information. Interactive elements, however, can significantly enhance the user experience and provide deeper insights. Power BI offers a range of interactive features, such as filters, slicers, and drill-through capabilities, that allow users to explore the data on their own terms. Filters and slicers let users narrow down the data to focus on specific segments or time periods. Drill-through capabilities enable users to click on a data point to access underlying details. Interactive dashboards empower users to ask and answer their own questions, fostering a deeper understanding of the data. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more Power BI tips and tricks. Section 8. Performance optimization. Speed up your dashboards. Performance is crucial for a positive user experience. A slow-loading dashboard can frustrate users and hinder their ability to access timely insights. Optimize your Power BI dashboards for speed by minimizing data volumes, optimizing data models, and leveraging Power BI's performance tuning features. Reduce the amount of data being loaded into the dashboard by filtering irrelevant data at the source or using data aggregation techniques. Regularly monitor the performance of your dashboards and identify any bottlenecks. By optimizing dashboard performance, you can ensure that users have a seamless and efficient experience, enabling them to access the insights they need quickly and make informed decisions. Section 9. Real-world applications, dashboards in action. Power BI dashboards have a wide range of real-world applications across various industries. In the retail industry, dashboards are used to track sales performance, monitor inventory levels, and analyze customer behavior. Marketing teams use dashboards to measure the effectiveness of marketing campaigns, track website traffic, and monitor social media engagement. Financial analysts rely on dashboards to monitor financial performance, track key financial ratios, and identify trends in financial data. Healthcare organizations use dashboards to track patient outcomes, monitor hospital bed occupancy rates, and analyze healthcare costs. The versatility of Power BI dashboards makes them an invaluable tool for any organization looking to gain insights from its data. Subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Power BI videos. Section 10. Conclusion. Design for impact. Mastering Power. BI dashboard design is an iterative process that requires a deep understanding of the target audience, the data being presented, and the principles of effective data visualization. By embracing the principles of clarity, simplicity, and functionality, you can create dashboards that empower users, drive informed decision-making, and unlock the true potential of your data. Keep the design clean and uncluttered, focusing on the most critical information. Use visual cues to guide the user's attention and ensure data accuracy. Optimize dashboard performance for a seamless user experience. Effective dashboard design is an investment in informed decision-making and a crucial step towards unlocking the full potential of your data. Subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Power BI videos.